So who are you?
My name is Susie, and I am an MSW student here at UMKC. So I did my project well, I actually designed a patient satisfaction survey for Truman Hospital for the social work department specifically, to assess their services. I thought that it would be helpful for the social workers to know what areas that they need to improve, or whether or not they are providing adequate and effective services to our patients. And another reason I think it would be helpful for the management team or the stakeholders to know how great of services that social workers are providing within the hospital, and that way they would find out whether or not they need to bring in more social workers within the hospital, because during the weekend they don't have any social workers, and whenever the medical team, they have patients they would like to discharge over the weekends, and if these patients need social services, then they cannot be discharged because there are not social workers to provide services for them. So they have to wait until Monday, when the patient didn't really have to wait in the hospital. And I think that, having the survey can also reduce readmission and then hospital costs and all that. So that's what my poster is all about.
All right. Well, thank you, Susie. Congratulations, too.
Thank you.
Yeah.